In this video, I will show you how to add Affiliate X top products. The Affiliate X top products block helps you to pick and display the most popular product among the products you promote. This premium feature is a must-have if you want to boost sales and conversion. This is the demo page and these are the variations of layout that you can achieve for Affiliate X top products. Let's see how we can add Affiliate X top products on our post or page. On a post or page editor, click on Add Block icon. Now look out for Affiliate X top products block. Then you have to click on it. Alternatively, you can also search for the Affiliate X top products from the search bar. And here is our block. I have also opened the same post in the new tab here, so that we will be able to see the differences in the end. Let's go back to our post. You will get a default block design which you can modify via the provided block settings. Before we dive into the settings, let's add some content first. Let's start by adding the title. Now let's upload the image. Click on Upload Image. Select the image you want to upload, click on Select. Now enter the description. To add more products, you have to click on Add icon. And now follow the same process. Following the same process, I have added 2 more products. We have added 3 products for now. You can add in more products if you wish to. Now that we have added all the products, let's move towards the block settings. Select the block, which will then reveal the block settings on your right hand side. First is the general settings. With the help of this option, you will be able to set the number of items per row. Currently it is set at 2. Let's set it to 3, which will then display 3 items per row. Next is the colors. Under colors, you will find the option to select the background type as solid color. You can select the color from the palette. You can adjust the tone from here and from here. Then you can also add in the hex value. If you want to reset the color, then you can click on the reset icon. You can also set gradient as your background type. Under spacing, you can assign margin and padding value for the top products block added. That too, across different devices. Now apart from these settings, you also get all the block settings for Affiliate X single product block in order to customize the product information inside the top products block. To display single product block settings, select one of the products you have added, which will reveal the settings for the single product block. Now you can easily customize the product information. I have made a separate in-depth video tutorial on Affiliate X single product block where I have explained all of these settings in detail. Please check out that video with the help of the eye icon above, or you can also find the link in the description box below. For this video tutorial, I will briefly explain these settings. The first is the layout settings. From here, you will be able to select the layout for your single product block. From under ribbon settings, you can enable or you can disable the ribbon. If you choose to enable the ribbon, then you have the option to set the ribbon text of your choice. So for example, instead of best value, you can add in a different text. Then you can also select the ribbon alignment from left to center to right. Let's stick with center. If you want to add subtitle to the products, then you can do so with the subtitle settings. Enable the subtitle first. Then you can add in your product subtitle from here. Then you can also select the product subtitle tag from the list of available options. You can also select the subtitle alignment from left, center or right. Let's go with center once again. If you wish to enable ratings, then you can do so with the help of rating settings. enable the rating option. Then you can select the rating style as star rating, or you can select a score box, which will display the rating in a score box style. You can set the rating number from here. You can increase or decrease the number. You can edit the rating content from inside the rating content box. Then you can also set the rating alignment from right to left. And if you select star rating, you will have the option to set the star rating size as well as select the rating alignment from the options here. Similarly, to add the price, go to pricing settings, enable the pricing option. Then you can add in the marked as well as the sales price if the product happens to be on sales. You can also select the pricing alignment. Then you have a bunch of other options that you can explore. Then you also get all of the block settings for Affiliate X button block. If you click on the button here, it will display all of the settings for Affiliate X button blocks. I have made a separate video tutorial on Affiliate X button block where I have explained all of these settings in detail. You can access the video with the help of the eye icon, or you can also check out the link in the description box below. Let me briefly go through these settings for this video tutorial. So under layout, you can choose the layout for your button. You can go for the default button, or you can go for the price button. Then you can also select the price tag position as left or right. Let's go with the default button. Then under button settings, you can add in the link to your button here. For now, I have added the link to our site craftplugins.com. Then you can enable or disable these options. You can set the button border, border radius, select the button size, as well as set the button width. You can select fixed, and when you select fixed, you also have the option to select the button size. You can either increase it or you can decrease it. You can go with the flexible option, or you can select full. Then you can also select the button alignment as well as add in the box shadow. If you want to change the button color, then you have to go to colors. And then with the help of the background color option, you can select a different color for your button. Click here, select the color of your choice, adjust the tone, which will change the color of your button. The same options for single product as well as for the button is available for the rest of the products that you have added. Following the same process, I have made the necessary changes and adjustments for the rest of products as well. So this is how you can add and configure the Affiliate X top products block. There is one more thing I would like to change, and that is the color of the ribbons. So I will just select the single product from here, go to colors. From under ribbon color, click on text color. I will set the text color as white. Then for the background color, I will set the color as red to match the color of the button. This looks good. So now we will click on update and we will go back to the same post that we had opened in the beginning. We will give it a refresh. And here is the Affiliate X top products block. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments section below, or even better, you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next video.